In my last video, I shared with you how to make your own coconut flour. If you are new to this channel, please check out my last video and subscribe so that you will be notified anytime a new video is out. So let's start from where we stopped. These are the flakes, and after grinding, this is the coconut flour. You will notice that there is a difference in the texture of homemade coconut flour and the factory-made coconut flour, which are used as alternative for pounded yam in one of my previous videos. So today I'm going to share with you another recipe you can enjoy using your own DIY coconut flour for swallow. For me, I use just 4 tablespoonfuls of this coconut flour. So I put 1 cup of water in the pot, bring it to the boil, and I added the flour and mix. After mixing for about 2 minutes, I added 1 teaspoonful of psyllium husk, mix thoroughly until you have a smooth dough for your swallow. That's it. Add your favorite stew and enjoy. Please move closer and let's enjoy this together. That's really lovely. For me, this swallow scores 95% pass for Gary and 90% pass for wheat swallow. You need to try this and give it your own score. Psyllium husk and factory-made coconut flour gives you this, which I made in my previous video. You can check it out. Tastes like pounded yam and is very delicious. At the same time, please don't forget that psyllium husk is pure fiber and you can get it in chemists, pharmacies or stores. The do-it-yourself coconut flour and psyllium husk gave us this, which we did today, I would recommend that you use this locally made coconut flour. One, is cheaper, and two, you can do it at your own convenience. But if you prefer the factory-made coconut flour, you can order it online from the internet. So the fact that you are diabetic does not mean you cannot eat good food. Eat better food and reverse your diabetes. It is possible. God bless you.